Welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the question in IAL January 2023 P1 paper. So this is question, it is based on that equation of a line. So here they are mentioned the line cuts the y-axis at minus 12. So we can able to write that particular point is 0 comma minus 12, and also this cuts the x-axis at 4 comma 0. So these 2 points are available. We need to identify the equation of line L. So first of all, if you want to find the equation of line L, we need to identify the gradient. So gradient of the line, we know that the formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1, so the value will be 0 minus minus 12 divided by 4 minus 0. So we can write it as 12 by 4, our answer will be 3. So the gradient is 3. So I am going to use this 4 comma 0 to identify the equation of the line y is equal to mx plus c. So that is 0 is equal to 3 times 4 plus c. So c is equal to minus 12, and I am getting the answer as y is equal to 3x minus 12. So this is the A part answer. This is the equation of the line L. Then the B part, they mention that given that C, it is a curve, as a equation y is equal to f of x, it is a quadratic expression. It has the minimum point is 7 comma minus 8, and it cuts the x-axis at 4 and at k. So where k is a constant, so we need to identify the value of k. So we know that here it is 4 and this is here this value is 4 and this is 7, and they mention this point as k. So by the property of the quadratic curve, it is symmetric about the turning point, or it's symmetric about the yes, minimum point. So from 4 to this minimum point we are having 3 units to reach 7. So from 7 to k it is again 3 units, so this value will be 10. So the k value is equal to 10. That is the answer for the B part. Now we need to identify the f of x value. So f of x, it is a quadratic, so we can able to write a times x plus m times x plus n. So how we can write it is, so we are having two intersect point x equal to 4 and x equal to 10. So we can able to get that it is x minus 4 times x minus 10. Okay, so I can able to write it as here y is equal to a times x minus 4 times x minus 10. So now I can able to substitute the turning point here. So the y value is minus 18 is equal to a times x value, it is 7. So 7 minus 4 times 7 minus 10. Okay. So 7 minus 4 times 7 minus 10 minus 18 is equal to a times 3, and this is minus 3. So I can able to get this is minus 9a and minus 18. So a is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 9, the value will be 2. So this is the thing I can get it. So now I can easily write it as y is equal to 2 times x minus 4 times x minus 10. That is the f of x value. This is the answer for the C part. Now I need to use the inequalities to define R. So that is my D part. I need to define it. So when I am seeing this the region is below the quadratic curve. So this is the D part. I need to use the inequalities. So the quadratic equation, I can use that y is less than. So that means it is a positive U shape, and outside the positive U shape I am having. So y is less than 2 times x minus 4 times x minus 10. Okay, so this is less than, because it is the outside portion of the positive U shape, and it is a continuous line, so that I am using y is less than or equal to. And then we know that the line, the region is above the line, so y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 12. Okay, now we need to know that so these two inequalities are defining both the sides. So here also this is outside and then above the line, and here also it is outside and above the line. So we need to define the x region to constrain the r value. So the x values are less than or equal to 4 and it's greater than or equal to 0. So that can able to define the r value exactly.